Hello, Mr. T here. In this session, the piece I would like to talk about is Pavan by Faure from the book Easy Winners. I've chosen this piece as it is set for grade 3, list A. If you choose to play this piece for your grade, here are some ideas on how you could improve your marks. Firstly, let me play the melody. Yes, I agree with you. Not very interesting, not very musical. It all sounded the same. So how can I make it more interesting and more musical? The points I will cover are tempo, dynamics, articulation and musicianship. Firstly, tempo. Two things to notice about tempo. Firstly, the speed at the beginning, and then look through the piece to see if this speed changes. At the beginning, you can see it says andante, and this means a slowish speed, a walking pace. I'll play the first 4 bars to give you an idea. And so on. Secondly, look through the piece to see if the tempo changes. And as you look through, unusually, it doesn't. So keep the same speed all the way through. Now let's add dynamics to tempo. At the beginning, it is marked P, piano, soft. Now look through the piece to see if the dynamic changes. And you will notice that there is not a lot of dynamic changes. Bar 13 has a crescendo to MF, mezzo forte, medium loud, into bar 14. And bar 15 has a diminuendo getting softer to piano for the last 2 bars. So as you can see, not a lot to go on there. Now for articulation, the tonguing and slurring. And again, not a lot of variation in this piece, so all the notes apart from those that are tied will need to be tongued. But how are you going to tongue them? With a heavy attack or a gentle attack? What do you think? I'll come back to that shortly. Lastly, now that we have tempo, dynamics and articulation, the technical bits, it's time to think about musicianship. And what this means is thinking about what story is the music wanting you to tell through your playing. The clues are in the title and the words andante and molto sostenuto, which you can see at the beginning. The Pavan is a slow dance that was very popular all over Europe during the 16th and 17th centuries. So, because it's a slow dance with a quiet volume, I think it would be best not to tongue the notes too hard. Try and keep them as smooth and relaxed to reflect the smooth and relaxed slow dance. Andante is walking speed, so that fits with the slow dance. And molto sostenuto means very sustained, very smooth. Don't make the notes too short at all. Now the 4 points, tempo, dynamics, articulation and musicianship have been covered. I will end by playing through the piece, thinking about all of these ideas, and you will be able to compare it with the first playthrough and see the difference.